Hi there, my name is Ashley. I will be 34 in a couple months, and I wanted to make this video today to talk about a product that I have come to love so dearly, and I think it's going to change a lot of lives. It has already changed some, and it's going to continue to do so. I am talking about Pop-On Veneers. Pop-On Veneers are a wonderful, so these are my natural teeth. They're not the worst, but in my personal opinion, they're not the best. I mean, their foundation, they're fine, they're strong. But I feel like they could be, at least for me, more visually appealing. And I did look into, veneers and different things, but the cost is just not, the process doesn't seem cost efficient to me, because you have to keep replacing them so often. And plus, because they have to shave your teeth down and different things, I feel like that's not going to be the best option. And, it is said, and I do believe that your teeth are connected very much so and very strongly to your health. So I want to try to keep my natural teeth up as best as I can with, regular dental checkups and things. But I was looking for something more aesthetically pleasing so I could feel more confident smiling and talking in public. So I have been looking into Pop-On Veneers for a couple of years now. My mom actually introduced me to the product. And after having this tooth pulled here, I'm so self-conscious of how it looks. I finally bit the bullet and I'm like, I really need to check these people out and see what this is about and start my smile journey somewhere. So I ordered Pop-On Veneers. I got them a couple weeks ago. The process was super quick and easy. You just pay for the ones you want, whether you want tops, bottoms, or both. You pick the color. There's 3 different shades. I got the natural white. Then they'll send you out your impression kit. I got it within a few days. I did the impressions. I sent them out on a Friday morning. By Monday, when I went to start my shift and I work 12:30 to 9, I got an email from Pop-On Veneers saying that they were approved and they were working on my smile. And I was stoked because I was nervous doing the impressions. I didn't think that I did them that well. So I was expecting actually an email stating that they were sending out a new impression kit. So I was very happy that my impressions were improved. Let me show you how easy it is to upgrade your smile. It's just as simple as getting them, rinsing them, and popping them right in. I'm going to start with the bottoms. And you can hear that click. And then let me do the tops. And it's that simple. You just pop them in and you go. And what's nice too is they give you a case when you get your veneers. The whole process from the time I ordered to the time I received them was about 2.5 weeks. So you'll get the veneers, you'll get a case, you'll get a toothbrush, you'll get a 3D printed mold of your natural teeth, just to help you see how they will fit on your teeth, the veneers. And you also will get a sample of their cleaning tablets, which are so nice. And I absolutely love my Pop-On Veneers. There is an adjustment period to getting used to them being in your mouth, and I do still have a slight lisp, but I love how they have transformed my smile. I love that I can smile confidently and talk confidently to people face to face. And as a karaoke singer, which I just do it for a hobby, but I still like to look my best, and Pop-On Veneers is taking that to the next level for me. So if you are thinking about getting this product, I wouldn't hesitate anymore. I would absolutely check out Pop-On Veneers. They are a wonderful company to work with. They are quick, they are efficient, and they are affordable. If you have any questions at all, feel free to shoot me a message and I will get back to you. And thank you so much.
Don't hesitate, just click order now.